Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you the Bietrun WXM22. Being new to YouTube, I wanted to find a wireless mic that delivers quality audio but is also affordable. Right out of the box, I was able to easily connect the receiver to the camera using the labeled descriptions at the end of the cables, which was actually very useful to have because I would have had a hard time figuring that out. A big pro about the Bietrun is that you can't just use it on your camera, but it also gives you the option to hook it up to your phone. But for the purpose of this video, I will be using it on my camera mounted to the hot shoe bracket. In this clip, you can see a comparison of the Samson and the Bietrun. With the Samson, I was having a difficult time mounting it because of the size of the receiver. On the other hand, the Bietrun was easily mounted. You can see the difference in size when I have them side by side. Another pro is that the Bietrun was only $70 compared to the Samson priced at $200, which is an amazing deal for the quality it provides over the Samson. Now let's test out the distance. So now I've shown you what it looks like when it comes in the package. Now I'm gonna do a distance check and see how far it sounds good, and then when it starts to cut out. So I got my wonderful wife behind the camera and she's gonna tell me when it starts to clip. So check 1, 2, all the way back here. Let me know when it starts to clip out. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Testing, testing, getting closer to the sprinkler. Don't get me wet, dadgummit. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, walking backwards. Hello, testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2. So right here, still good. All right, my wife said it's still good. All right, so I'm keeping a walk backwards, walking backwards. How do I sound, y'all? It's getting wet now. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Okay, right here is where my wife said it's starting to fade out. So I'm gonna walk forward now. Is it sounding better? You can hear me? Is this better? Can you hear me? Fading in and out. Can you hear me better now? Better now? Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Okay, so right here, fading out again. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Good right here, perfect. You can hear me perfectly. Okay, right here is perfect. I would say this is the max. I want to say I'm about maybe 30 feet, 25 feet, so give or take. But yeah, I like this thing. Sounds pretty good from the audio that I've heard. So I'm gonna walk up to the camera now and go sit back down in there, show you guys some more stuff. Now that we tested the Bietrun for distance, I can say that I am very impressed and was not expecting that kind of quality out of a $70 device. Let's start with the batteries. The manual states that a full charge can last up to 5 hours, which depending on your needs is a good amount of time. The mic and receiver come with internal batteries that charge via USB Type-C. You will also get a USB cable that splits into 2 male USB Type-Cs, which allows you to charge both units simultaneously. Now let's take a closer look at the small LCD screens. Obviously, you'll want to know how to adjust the volume, which is super simple because each unit only has 4 buttons. 2 of the buttons are for the volume and are labeled with a plus and minus symbol. Next, I'll show you how to get rid of any potential interference. All you have to do is hit the gear button and change to the preferred channel using the plus and minus sign to go back and forth between channels. In total, the Bietrun has 50 different channels. Don't forget to make sure that you change both units to the same channel so that the receiver can deliver sound to either your phone or camera. For me, as soon as I took the Bietrun out of the box, channel 1 worked perfectly for me. In case you ever need to mute your mic, all you have to do is tap the power button on either unit to mute it. To turn it off, you just need to hold down the power button. You probably could tell that the mic just clipped out and you couldn't hear very well or anything at all. So keep in mind that if you are too loud and are looking for a mic to scream into, then the Bietrun mic might not be a good match for you. The only con I really have about this wireless mic set is when you're using the mic inside of the housing unit. When you're moving around or tapping, it's very noticeable. But when you use the cable mic that attaches to the unit, that really isn't a problem anymore. However, it doesn't eliminate it completely. Obviously, this mic is a perfect match for everyone, but for $70, it's a great buy and you'll be able to make great quality videos. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of the Bietrun WXM22. If you have any recommendations of gear you'd like reviewed, comment down below and I'd be happy to make that happen. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'll see you guys in the next video.